So today I will be discovering the Taksim district, the popular İstiklal Street and the Taksim Square. So currently I am in Eminönü. As you can see, here is the Bosphorus where you can take the ship. Now I will walk over the Golden Horn Bridge, and then I will reach the Karaköy district. So to get to Taksim you have a couple different options, but now that I am in the Eminönü district I will walk over the Galata Bridge, and after that I will take the funicular line which will go up till Şişhane. Those areas are one of Istanbul's most popular areas, so I'm gonna show you a bit around what there is to do, what kind of shops you can find, what you can eat and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy it. First of all, I'm going to give you a little description of how to get there. So here you can see the tram station. You can either take a tram right over the Golden Horn Bridge and get to Karaköy. From Karaköy you can just take the funicular line and go up to Şişhane. Şişhane is the ending point of the İstiklal Street. So you can either do that or you can also take the metro. If you're taking the metro, you can step off at either the Şişhane station or the Taksim station. Both will bring you to the Taksim district. If you step off at the Taksim station, you will just get out at the Taksim Square, which is the main point, and from there you can walk down the İstiklal Street, which is what most tourists do. You can also step off at the Şişhane station, and which is closer to the Galata Tower, and from there you can also walk up. It's totally up to you. We just came out of the tunnel of the funicular line, and now we are just on the İstiklal Street. So this is actually the end of the İstiklal Street. So if you go down, you will have the Beyoğlu district and the Galata Tower, which is also very nice. But today I'm not gonna go down, I'm gonna go up. I will walk up and I will walk through the İstiklal Street until I reach the Taksim Square. So if you want to skip the walking part, you can also take the nostalgic tram, which passes like, I don't know, every maybe 10 minutes. So here is a station where you can take it. So here I will show you a bit around what there is, the shops, the cafes and all that kind of stuff. Here they also have any kind of brand like Vans or Adidas. As you can see, this is the Taksim Square. So guys, now we walked through the Istiklal Street and now I came to the Taksim Square. The Taksim Square is here. This is the Republican monument that you can see. Behind that you have the Taksim Mosque. And if you walk down that street, you have the Istiklal Street, which I just walked through. If you come with the metro, you see the M emblem there. You will get out just at that point. At your back, you will have the Atatürk Cultural Centrum. And now you got a little overview of how the Istiklal Street is and how the Taksim Square looks and what there is. So yeah, there is much more to see in the Istiklal Street apart from what I shot today. So yeah, at another video I will give you a better insight into that. So guys, now we came to the end of another video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope it has been helpful for you. So yeah, see you at another video.